Hello friends, this is Chetan Shrikantwani from Apt Resources Private Limited. Today we will see how to extract resumes from LinkedIn. Before doing that, let's see how LinkedIn works. Friends, have you ever noticed or have you ever wondered that you have thousands plus connections on your LinkedIn account, but whenever you post something, there are very few interactions? This is because you did not have a LinkedIn profile that attracts candidates and your target audience and objectives are different. So what is target audience and objective? Before sourcing profiles through LinkedIn, let's understand LinkedIn algorithm. See, LinkedIn has whenever there is an account on LinkedIn, there should be one objective and target audience related to that. I'll give you an example. I'm running an HR consultancy, I'm selling HR softwares, and I'm doing HR courses. So there are three different objectives. But if I want to create an account on LinkedIn, I should choose only one objective. So in my case, I have selected HR courses. So that is my objective. Now, target audience related to that. So the target audience would be entrepreneurs like you, HR professionals, HR trainees, HR managers, because my courses are related to recruitment, payroll, which are related to entrepreneurs and HR professions. So this is objective and target audience. So whenever I'll post something related to recruitment or payroll, I will get an engagement on my post. I will get likes and comments. But if I will add system administrator, Java developer, graphic designer, though I have 2000 plus connections, but they are not useful to me and my posts are not relevant to them. I hope it's clear now what is target audience and what is objective. The next step is ask yourself three questions. Who do you help? What do you help them to achieve? And how do you do that? So this write down these answers and that this concept will be more clear. So this is what we are doing is first preparing our LinkedIn account to attract candidates. And the next step would be how to source. So now let's stick to the first step, that how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I'll just take you to my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile, and whenever you click on the name, his basically profile, you see his profile. So whenever you just click on the name, this is the profile what you see. So now we have to optimize this. So how to do that? First, this header part, you have to make it more attractive because 75% of the people will see this first. So whenever they will open your profile and see this, they are clear that what you are doing. In my case, HR generalist course, payroll trainer, software, everything is clear what I do. So in your case, it would be your products and services, or you are hiring uh, current openings on your job, on your company, in your company. So this you can mention here. You can put your company logo or your pick. That will build trust. The next step is the name. See, you might have seen my name as Chetan Shrikantwani, payroll trainer, HR courses. So whenever I will like somebody's post or I will comment someone post, the entire line will come into that comment or like. So due to that, the other person will come to know that I am a trainer and I am having a consultancy. So in your case, you can write as an entrepreneur, you can mention your product services, or to that extent, you can, if you have some urgent requirements, so you can mention that also, urgently looking for graphic designer, your name, and you can write urgently looking for graphic designer. So whenever you like anyone's post or comment anyone's post, that the entire text will be visible there. The next step is now open to. As an entrepreneur, you should use this feature, open to hiring. So this is a job post I have created. So once you will add this to your profile, your logo will change. Now see, your logo has changed to hiring. So the other person will come to know that you are looking for candidates. You can post here or you can simply say no thanks. Okay. So now this is what, okay. The next is about. You have to mention about your company profile, your company visions, your company past success, so that it will attract the candidates whoever go through your profile. Then is a featured section. See, basically, now I'm scrolling a person's profile and I'm going to see this feature if I am enabled this feature. So I can write different job postings here. I can post different current openings here, or you can showcase your products to the candidates. In my case, I have showcased my payroll seminar, HR generalist seminar, YouTube subscriptions. So if somebody will click here, it will redirect them to that specific page. In your case, it might redirect to that specific current opening. So as you can see here, the current page, so there are chances that many people will enroll through this. And in your case, there are chances that many people will apply to your current opening. So coming back to the LinkedIn profile again, how to write this? So there is a symbol of plus. So to add this, there are 4 ways. One is post, articles, links, and media. So post it and just add it here. Write an article, add it here, or just show the link as I have shown. I have show your website link here, and through that you can add it. Also, you can upload any media. Okay. Or else you can edit from here. See, you can edit your courses from here. Sorry, you can edit your job openings. You can delete here, just save here. Okay. So this is about the featured section. You can add through here and edit through here. Now dashboard. Now activity, your experience. You have to mention this here. Recommendations. See, it is important to have certain recommendations on your LinkedIn account as it built trust and confidence. So guys, this was how you can prepare your LinkedIn profile first to attract the candidates. Now we will move on to the next session, which is, we have covered this, why LinkedIn X-ray search. Now we will learn to extract resumes from LinkedIn. So LinkedIn, why LinkedIn search? It is the best way to utilize search engine of LinkedIn, as it has billions of users. You can source profile outside your second degree connections. Also, you can search passive candidates, which the data which is available absolutely free of cost. You can utilize them. So there are 3 parameters. First is X-ray command, which we have seen in the previous video. Second is keywords, job profile. So whatever job profile is this you are searching for, you have to use the keywords according to that. Then the negative keywords, which we have discussed in the previous video, that jobs, title, group, company, you can eliminate those keywords so you'll get an exact search. So now let's do that. Again, I'm coming back to my LinkedIn profile. Okay, now I am looking for, say for example, I am looking for a graphic designer. This is a string. You will get this string, don't worry. So now I'm looking for a graphic designer who has a knowledge of Photoshop and HTML. So I'll type here site linkedin.com space graphic designer space bracket Photoshop and HTML. Okay, so this is the search. I'll make it, I'll zoom this. I hope now that search is clearly visible. Now let's understand this string. What we have given command is site linkedin.com space graphic designer. It will search graphic designer in linkedin.com who has a knowledge of Photoshop and HTML. So it will search for both the keywords. As you can see here, you have got resumes, but also you have got some jobs also. So this is a resume and certain jobs. So now what we will do, we will use a command of not command in URL, then jobs, we'll use the pipe sign, which is represent or. This is shift and backslash, then job, then company and title and page. So now we have searched near about 1,32,000 results. Now let's see. Okay, now we have 1,14,000 results, which are completely profiles. So these are completely profiles. Let me disable this extension. Okay. Yeah. So okay. So now what we will do, we'll just refresh this page. Okay. So now, as I said, we have 1,14,000 resumes, which are only profiles in LinkedIn for graphic designer who are having a knowledge of Photoshop and HTML. So you can see Photoshop and HTML, both the keywords. You will find here both the keywords. So this is how you can extract the free data from LinkedIn. Now, if I want Photoshop or HTML, so I'll just change the string to or. Here I'll just change it to or. Now the result have changed to 28,90,000 because either the keywords HTML or the keywords Photoshop will be found by Google. Okay, so now let's use some not command also. So let's use another string, site linkedin.com/LinkedIn, that will search the profile from India. IN is India. Then graphic designer. Then, sorry, we are now looking for Java developer. Java developer is Java or J2E or minus SQL. So it will now search a profile from LinkedIn of Java developer who are having a keywords of Java, J2E or stir, but not SQL. I'll just click here. See, now you will see the profiles 41,40,000 who have this knowledge, but you won't see any profile having SQL. See, no, nothing written as SQL. So these are all the profiles of a Java developer. Again, you can use the command in URL. eliminate word such as job, jobs, title, company, page. This is the logic you have to use, that this might be the keywords where we will get an improper search. Now we have got a proper search of 50,000, 50 lakh 70,000, where these words, these keywords have been eliminated. So see guys, this is how you can extract resumes free of cost through LinkedIn via X-ray search. Now let's go a little further. Now we will go for a particular location and then specific area. Now I'm now using this same search. Now I want people only from Mumbai. So I'll write here Mumbai. Now 4,41,000. See, you can see here Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. You will get each profile who is having Mumbai, who is working in Mumbai. Again, if I want someone from, say, Malad, Mumbai. So again, I will write here Malad and comma. Basically, Malad is a station in Mumbai. Those who are from outside Mumbai, let me inform them. Now, if you are looking in Mumbai, particular area or region called Malad, you have now received an apt search. 2590 are the profiles who stay in Malad. So now it is a very rigid search. So first try with flexible and come to very, very rigid. You can use a certain area name also, then Google can fetch that too. Okay. So now we have seen how to search profiles and how to use not command from a specific region. Now, if we want from a specific company, so what should we do? Here, again, I'm using the same string. I will just write here in title TCS example. Now, okay, let me correct the string. Okay, we have restricted to Malad. So we'll write here Mumbai. So we'll get a wide search. See, now we have removed that restriction of Malad. Now it's a wide search, people working in TCS. So this way you can find if the profiles from that particular company. You have to just replace TCS to the company what you're looking for, and then you will get all the profiles who are looking for a particular company. This can be basically used for headhunting. Okay. So now let's have a look for a different country codes. I'm sure some of you might have an international recruitment also. So this is a string which is very helpful for you. So in this link, you will find the country codes. So as I said, let's have a look for the country code. So this is a country code. Okay. So as I said that site in /linkedin.com/in. Now, this first in is a country code and last in is the profile. So if I replace that with JP, that is Japan, so I'll now get all the results for Japan. So for the first in is basically for country and the last in is basically for the profile. See, now all the profiles you have got for Japan. We have seen how to search from a specific company also. So this is a string which I'll just use to give another example. Now we have got just one results because we are looking from a specific company, and again we have restricted our search. So let me make it more flexible by removing Kandivali from it. Now 594 people. Let's read the string. Site linkedin.com/in, then and in title developer, in title programmer. That means in this in title, you will find developer or programmer or coder. So whenever a candidate makes his profile, he write as a designation. So he can write any designation as programmer, as coder, as developer. So you'll get all those profiles. And in title Infosys. So here again we have restricted to a particular company. Then PHP or core PHP and Mumbai. So this is again another example where you can find different designations. See, you have to use the logic. A developer may write as a programmer, a coder, a developer, or something other words. So you have to use all those words so you won't miss any of the profile. Same if you're looking for PHP, then PHP or core PHP or cake PHP. So you can use this word, use this keywords. In my next video, I'll show you how to write a designation and how to find the keywords. So in the Chrome extension video, there is an extension called Boolean Assistant, wherein you have to just type the designation and they will give you all the keywords related to that. Okay. So now, this is how we search through LinkedIn. Now, again, a small example I'll give you. Site linkedin.com/in account executive. There might be entrepreneurs who are from non-IT background. So let's take some strings which are related to non-IT. And now you're looking for Tally or GST. So remember, all strings, either IT, non-IT, you have to just replace the keywords with your related keywords. Or TDS. Okay, from say Chennai. There are 17,600 resumes who are working as account executive. Now here you can extend the scope also. For example, someone will write as account senior executive. So you can use the word as, let's take it for an account assistant. So for account assistant, it can be account assistant, one keyword, or account officer. We might write this also as their designation. So now the search has increased to 1530. So same way, you can search for non-IT profiles also. Okay. So now let's see how to search through the LinkedIn bar, that search bar. So let's go to the LinkedIn profile again. This is my LinkedIn profile. Now, how to use that search option? Again, the same thing. If you are now looking for account executive, so account executive, okay. And again, you're looking for Tally or yes or GST. Enter. So you can type here, no need to type site linkedin.com because we are in LinkedIn only. So after this, click on people and you will get a results near about 49,000 who are account executive or account senior executive, whatever may be. This account executive will the word will be everywhere. Plus who knows Tally, TDS and GST, and who are from say We'll take another city. $9,400 people from Delhi in LinkedIn with this keyword. So this is how. Then further you can just click here and you can click on this show results. So all these three connections it will consider. Again, location, you can go for specific, current company. So these filters you can use to search the candidates. Now there is a tool called Lisearcher. So let's explore that. I'll give you the string right here. So this is lisearcher.com. It's an X-ray tool only for LinkedIn. Now, if I want to find, say, graphic designer, so I'll write here graphic designer, any country, that is India. You have to select the name of country here, click on advanced search. So now what are the keywords? I'll write here Photoshop or HTML or CSS. Likewise, if I want to write any keyword to exclude, I can write here and then I'll click on search. So now see, the string has automatically created by this tool called Lisearcher. So you don't need to create any string, just use this. Either you can copy to clipboard or you can open in search. So you have to use the relevant designation, relevant keywords, and then just click on open in Google. So now it has created a search for you, and again 14 lakhs resumes has been in front of your, displayed in front of your PC. So this is a tool basically where you have to just use number of keywords, whatever the keywords which are related to your profile, and then you can search the candidates as per your requirements. So guys, this was okay. So this was about how to source the profile, and that's it. So thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you for the next videos too. Thank you.